Thank you for joining us live from NASA's Kennedy Space Center, where we are beginning a new chapter in America's human spaceflight story. And here they are, NASA's Artemis II crew. Commander Reed Wiseman, pilot Victor Glover, and mission specialist Christina Cook and Jeremy Hansen taking their first steps outside for their historic test flight. And we know they plan to watch a video during their trip out, right, Nicole?
Yes.
Do you think they're queuing up the video?
Definitely.
And that's why they haven't left yet?
And there they go.
And off they go. Reed, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy now on their way to launch pad 39B, where they will fly to the moon, something no human has done in over 50 years.
Our launch team is ready to proceed at this time.
Attention on the net. This is the launch director performing the final poll for launch, verifying no constraints, and go for launch. EGS, Program Chief Engineer.
Artemis Chief Engineers are go.
EGS, Chief Safety Officer.
The Artemis CSOs are go.
Range Weather.
Launch weather is go.
Thank you, LWO, and Artemis MMT Chair.
MMTs go.
And Integrity Launch Director.
Our Artemis II crew is go for launch. All set.
I copy that. Reed, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. On this historic mission, you take with you the heart of this Artemis team, the daring spirit of the American people and our partners across the globe, and the hopes and dreams of a new generation. Good luck. Godspeed, Artemis II. Let's go.
And there you see the crew access arm moving away.
And into the launch director. You have a go to proceed with countdown.
We're getting ready to start terminal count.
GLS is go for core stage to internal power. GLS is go for ALS.
Sound suppression water is flowing. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, RS-25 engines lit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. Separation.
Integrity. Guidance converged. Performance nominal. Upper stage RCS ready. Houston Integrity. Good last Genesis. Great view. Integrity in nominal MECO, core stage separated.
Confirmation, separation from the interim cryogenic propulsion stage.
Go for 180 pitch. Confirm. Separation confirmed.
Houston copy. Confirmation from teams here on the ground to the Artemis II crew aboard Orion. We have translunar injection burn cut off and early reports that it was a very good burn.